Hi there, welcome back to Burton Waters boat sales here in Lincoln. Behind me is one of our latest stock boats, at this time a Bayliner 285. It's a boat we've just taken in part exchange, and if you are looking for your first time boat, these offer fantastic value for money. So this particular boat is a 2007 build, 2008 model year. Many dealers would sell it as an 08, but it's a 2007 build and 08 model. And it's presented in excellent condition. The canopy fits nicely, and it's one of our stock boats, and has just had a full cut and polish, and the bottom's been anti-fouled as well. It's got the Bayliner blue band around the hull, which again is in excellent condition. And the hull has got no bumps or scrapes or scratches or anything along those lines as well. So it has got the full cockpit enclosure. We've taken it off for the pictures and the video, but it's got the bimini which is in place. I say it fits nicely, and the windows are nice and clear as well. Before we head into the cockpit, you've got a half decent bathing platform, so it's easy getting on and off from the pontoon, or if you're into a lock, and you have got this storage locker along the back as well. Over on the far side, you've got your shore power hookup, and there's some cup holders as well. As we move into the cockpit, it's quite a versatile space in here. So of course you've got the aft seat, and then you've got this backrest here. For when you're underway, you can pull it aft and just gives a bit of extra seating facing forward. So here you've got your Mercruiser MAG 350 petrol engine, and also down in the engine bay you've got your batteries and you've got your hot water tank as well. And as you can see, it's nice and clean and tidy down there. You have got carpets that run through the cockpit area as well, and they're in really good condition. And you've got this nice teak table as well. Access up to the bow area is typical American sports cruiser. So the windscreen splits open, and then you've got the steps up, and then you head through the windscreen. Just moving on to the helm position now on the Bayliner 285. So it's a very nice helm position actually, quite slightly elevated with the step up from the lower part of the cockpit. And everything falls pretty nicely to hand. So you've got the throttle and the wheel all feel easy to get to, and you've got a little step to rest your feet on as well. This boat's fitted with a little Northstar chart plotter, and you've got a depth sounder up the top as well, and a VHF. This boat's fitted with the Mercruiser MAG 350 petrol engine, and as one of our stock boats, just had a full engine and stern drive service, and it will be supplied with a 3-month engine warranty as well. If we head on down below now, now, as I've mentioned, these 285 Bayliners are a fantastic boat for a first-time boater, because the accommodation on them is very good for this style of sports cruiser. It's got a permanent berth up the front, so you don't have to keep dropping the table down to make that into a berth. And you've got a little curtain which comes across to add a bit of separation as well. But you've also got this dinette area. So as I mentioned, you don't have to keep dropping this or making it up. If the weather's not so kind outside, you can hunker down in here. But it's also got a very nice spacious galley on here as well. So you've got a 2-burner hob, and this is an electric hob, but also it's an alcohol hob as well. So if you're underway and you've got no shore power hookup, then you'd run it off the alcohol burners. But if you're in the marina and you've got your shore power hookup, then you'd run it off the electric side. You've also got your sink, which has got both hot and cold water, and you've got a microwave oven. And this boat is fitted with the TV as well. If we head on to the aft cabin, so you've got a really good sized double berth in there, and you've got a bit of standing room to get changed to the side of the bed. And as you've seen, you've got a separate door. So a lot of this style of boat, you'll have a curtain to separate that area off, but this has got a separate cabin door. So it gives that extra bit of privacy. And then you've got your heads, where you've got an electric toilet that goes into a holding tank, and then you've got your sink with your hot and cold water, and the tap does pull out, so if you wanted to use it as a shower compartment, you can do. This boat is priced at $39,950. It's priced very competitively. There's a lot of 07 and 08 boats up for mid to late 40s. So this boat's priced very, very well. And as I mentioned, it's had a full engine and drive service, and the the boat's been polished and it's been antifouled, and it'll be supplied with a 3-month engine warranty. We're open 7 days a week, so if you did want to come and take a look, you're more than welcome.